my name is Clark and I'm your instructor for IS 330 Information Systems. A little bit more about myself. I'm currently an instructor in the University of Seattle. I've taught JavaScript, TypeScript class during the AWS Apprentice program in which we trained AWS employees. And I'm also teaching another course called IS 306 Data Management, Communication, and Networking, where we're going to deal with databases and networking. I was born and raised in the Philippines, where I also studied my high school and college. In my college years, I studied finance, and after I graduated, I worked for several companies. For corporate, I worked like 2 years with Thomson Reuters as a research analyst using my Mandarin skills as well, and another 3 years for S&P Capital IQ, same role. We were dealing financial data at that time for historical. We deal with annual reports, quarterly reports for China and Taiwan companies. Um, Aside from that, I've worked for insurance sales associate for non-life, meaning buildings, cars, um, and anything that the business need for insurance and to protect themselves from liability. And I've worked for 4 years as a volleyball coach as well for a high school team in the Philippines. Um, I also was doing part-time DJing at night. So I DJed for 3 to 4 years in the Philippines as well in the club scene. That was fun. Now I'm in Seattle, currently finishing up my Master of Science in Computer Science. So as you can see, I transitioned from the business field to the computer science field, and the reason for that was quite surprising actually. I was taking my MBA in City University of Seattle, and when I took one technology class, I fell in love with it. With the like, there's so much to learn, and and then I asked my professor what to do next, and the professor said, "Well, you just gotta go out there and go to meetups," and that's what I did for 2 years. I went to a couple of meetups, like around 90 plus meetups from seminars, workshops, casual meetups, networking, all of those stuff I did. So just I would know what field that I would want, and I suggest you do the same thing as well. So right now, I'm really very interested with software development, web development, cloud, um, some security stuff as well. So I also learned Ruby on Rails through a boot camp. I've also learned MeanStack, which is a full stack web development. I've learned a lot of AWS products as well. Another thing that was really helpful in my journey to tech is when I was in CityU as well. I've I've joined this research club. We The official name is the CityU Cybersecurity Club, but again, there's other clubs like the Smart and Secure Computing Research Group, where we meet weekly and even online. Students are able to join us, and where we share our personal projects or even the projects given by the director himself, or in this case, the dean. Um, and now, what's good with that is we have a learning space where we can practice communicating and basically learn from one another. And I hope you join us as well, or simply just find a group like that. And that would really make you learn more, deeper understanding. So I guess that's about it. And I hope to see you more in the online class. And I hope to get to know each one of you through the discussion board in the student introductory assignment, so you guys can introduce yourselves as well. And feel free to talk to me casually or something in the class as well. I really love helping students know what their true goal is, and I love to advise as well if you need some. Okay, see you around.